Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marlo with Vegas Mini Mansion. Today we're gonna make it happen in my backyard. We're gonna plant this morning glory plant. It's a desert plant here in Las Vegas. So we're gonna make it happen, but I'm gonna share with you the secret on how to dig in hard soil. So here in Las Vegas, the soil is very hard and it's very difficult to get a shovel in there and dig. So I'm gonna share with you a secret. If you're planting mini plants in your backyard, I promise you this will beat whatever you're doing. You're gonna use this demolition jackhammer. I'll show you right now. This is a demolition jackhammer here. It only weighs about a good 50 pounds. But what's good about this is you're not holding it up with all your might. You're pretty much just laying it on the dirt and you're pulling the trigger and it's going and digging. You can do it real slow or you can go real fast, but it's very easy on your joints. I promise you, just digging with the shovel, ordinary shovel, it's gonna be worse on your wrist. It's gonna be worse on your elbows. And this jackhammer, there are expensive ones online, but this one's very inexpensive. I'll share it with you in the description. I think it's about 160, 180 bucks. But it comes with a shovel and you'll be able to dig real fast. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna video it. I'm gonna time it to show you how fast you can do this job. So we're gonna plant this desert bush here. And so we're gonna get started, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm in my backyard here. So my dog just passed away and this was his designated area to use the restroom. So I'm gonna dig right there and put a few plants here, and my goal is to show you not to be intimidated by these jackhammers. All you do is pretty much pull the trigger. I'm gonna pull the trigger right now just to show you it's not that strong. I mean, it's strong, but you can let it go as slow as you want it to go slow, or you can make it go as fast as you want it to go fast by just pulling the trigger. More pressure applies more pressure. So I'm gonna set up the camera and I'll show you how fast this is. We're gonna go ahead and time it. All right, guys, I'm just gonna get to work. I'm gonna put on my gloves and get to work, and towards the end I'm gonna share with you some irrigation tips. So don't forget to watch to the end, guys. I got some special tips for you guys. So here we go. Gonna get to work, make it happen. Here in Las Vegas, the soil is hard. Alright guys, there's my hole. Can you imagine me trying to dig in that ground with a regular shovel? No way. So we're gonna go ahead and plant this shrub here. Alright guys, it's said and done. I went ahead and planted the shrub, as you can see. Alright guys, one thing to keep in mind is if you don't want to use this demolition jackhammer, they also have these weighted spear bars, as you can see right here. And they weigh about 16 to 17 pounds. And it's way better than using a shovel. And these run for about 60, 70 bucks, these weighted bars. But if you're going to pay that much, you might as well just get that demolition jackhammer. It's way easier. Alright guys, let me give you a recap. Alright guys, I finally finished up. I planted all those plants. Well, just the two of them. Those are desert plants that I just planted. So after planting, don't forget you have to water those for a good 3 to 4 days straight so they don't get transplant shock. Also do fertilizer. And keep in mind, if you don't want to use that demolition jackhammer, you can use that weighted bar, that 16, 17 pound weighted bar to help you dig in the ground, because the shovel is not going to help you too much at all, guys. So I'm new to YouTube. Hopefully you guys will like my video, and I'll see you guys in the next project.